Hello, welcome. Thursday, November 5th, day 4 of Module 7. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, watch this video, then you'll click Async. Today, you have 3 activities to do. First activity is a Schoology discussion post. This is very important. We are going to start working on our problem solution essay. Here, make sure you read everything. Okay, so you're going to choose from one of the 3 topics in red. There's some more information about topic. Which topic is interest to you and why? And put it here in the comment section. Make sure you read everything before you do your comment. Pick one. After you read the description for each, you pick one and you describe why, explain why you chose that one. The next async activity is My English Lab. Okay, please do this. My friends, a lot of you are not doing this assignment. It is very, very important to do it to help you in improving your reading and your grammar skills. And you have 2 activities to do. Third async activity is on because. So you will click, as you know, you will click My Document, and you are going to read the 5 questions and make corrections if needed. If it doesn't need a correction, then you leave it alone. Then you'll click Submit. After you click My Document, be sure to click Edit. So you'll click My Document, and then you'll click Edit, and then you can make your corrections. And that's it for async. It is Thursday, so we have sync. And it is our large class today. So we're going to discuss the topics, okay? And we'll do some grammar, and we'll do Spark with our our article for tomorrow, right on the money. And that's it. Good luck.